If you want to add in a background color or you want to add in a color on top of a video to give a new look, then you can easily do that inside of Blender inside of video editing mode. So to do that, I'm going to go around, and then here you can see that I have a blank video editing document. And if I want to add a color layer, then I can simply click on add, and then over here you can see color is an option. So once you click on color, what happens is that the color pops up, and by default it is black. You can go around over here, increase its brightness right here, and you can see other colors. Simply use your mouse to click and drag and then choose the color you want. Let's say you want to choose blue. This is what you have. You can see that you can work around with the opacity of the color as well. I'm going to bring in the video right here, just like this, and I'm just going to go around, click and drag this, keep the color on the top, and this is what you have. So on the bottom, you can see that I have this video right here. On the top, I have this color. I can work around with the blending right here to work around with different blending options. So I can work with color overlay. I can work around with opacity right here, just like this. And if I were to choose this, you can see that now I got a certain type of effect right here. So I can go around, increase out the color right here. And then what happens is that is how it actually works. You can go around over here, and then there's different options that you can work out as well. You can go around and work around with this to see how that actually will turn out. And that is how you can use the add color feature inside of Blender. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.